Here I have Nokia 3310 and let me show you how to change language on the following device. At the very beginning, let me start by using a home screen. Let's tap menu, find and select the settings right here. Let's scroll down and let me choose the font settings right here. Tap choose font settings and font language one more time. From the following list, let's choose your desired language. So let's just say that I would like to change my language, for example, into Deutsch. Let's tap Deutsch, and as you can see, everything is now in German. If you would like to go back, let's use the same settings and let's choose English right here. And that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.